Bonsoir tout le monde. Good evening. My name is Markus Schwartz, and I'm a percussionist and lifelong student of the music of Haiti. My life has been enriched beyond words by my ongoing involvement with and connection to the Haitian community, both in Haiti as well as in the Haitian diaspora. Living here in the New York City area, one of my main points of connection to the New York Haitian community has always been through Haiti Cultural Exchange. For over 15 years, Haiti Cultural Exchange has been a potomitan, a pillar bringing our community together, ensemble, in support of Haitian arts and culture. From visual arts to film, dance, music, poetry, storytelling, family programming, fashion, and so much more, Haiti Cultural Exchange provides a home and ongoing opportunities for artists like myself to present our work and connect with our community. Today, I am humbly asking you to join me in supporting Haiti Cultural Exchange. Your generous support will go directly to creating more opportunities for Haitian arts to flourish, and all of us, ensemble, together, will continue to benefit from the cultural riches of our beloved Haiti. Please donate today, and thank you.